Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be going to the chiropractor and we're going to be going to the store to get some presents for a few people. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, make sure to hit the bell down below, and let's get this video to like 35 even if we don't get to that amount of likes, I'm still going to be posting new videos every week. Okay guys, I'll see you guys once we go. I don't know where we're going first, but you'll see in a few minutes. Okay guys, so I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Peace. And why I chose these two little babies, which kids, is because I'm actually giving them a Christmas gift, because all these presents underneath this tree is people giving other kids gifts. And if you guys don't know why, these kids are all foster kids. They don't have no family, no mom, no dad, no nothing. They don't have like a house. They just don't have a family. And so that's why I want to give to the community and give to kids, because a lot of people don't get the chance to like have Christmas. They don't get a chance to hang out with family or nothing. So that's why I want to give. Just keep giving, because one day it will come back to you. It might not, but you never know. And that's why that's why these two lucky kids get gifts, because I just want to give and be generous, because I don't want to, I just, foster kids, they don't have presents or anything. So I just really want to give to others, and I don't want them to not have anything for Christmas. So that's why there's a bunch of presents, because a lot of people just picked out their Guys, I'm kind of late. I'm sorry, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you didn't subscribe, and hit that like button, make sure you hit the bell down below, and let's get this video to like 25 likes. Even if we don't get to the amount of likes, I'm still be posting new videos every week. Okay guys, I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, and I hope you guys are having a great Thanksgiving break.